How to write with Squarespace AI. Notice the first, head over to your website and then locating here the page that you want to edit. For example, I have in here this portfolio page. Now into this page, I have in here this text, and you just need to locate the text that you wish to actually edit into this part. Once you have selected that, next thing you need to do is to just click on the three circles icon on the text toolbar. So click on this first on the pencil. And in here, you can see the three circles icon, which is actually the Squarespace AI. Click on this. And then in here, this will introduce the AI for you. Click on OK. And input right here what you need. So for example, I need in here a paragraph about introduction for my portfolio. So let's input that right here. So once you have done that, click on the send option and then the AI will think and then write portfolio for you. Here it is right there. So let's remove the part that we don't need right here. So I don't need some parts for this one, like in here this. And here is our thing that we have created with the Squarespace AI. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.